Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can edit a cinematic video on CapCut. So after you add your video, you can just go to filter and add this filter, remote filter under the scenery section. Okay, this one, remove and set it to around 70 to 80. Go to adjust and lower the contrast of the clip to around 20. Now click on the check icon, go back and then add overlay. So add a black overlay under the stock videos. This one. Oops, click on that overlay, click on add, cover the whole clip and I'm going to slow down the overlay so it has the same duration like my main clip. Click on the check icon, then I'm going to trim it like this. Go back again. Now on the overlay, go to mask, then click on mirror, and in here adjust the size first. Now click on invert. So you have something like this. Click on the check icon and you are done. So this is the cinematic video look like. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.